Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Start menu and taskbar not showing in Windows 11 fix. First method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, type Control, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click Programs and Features. Click View Installed Updates, select Recently Installed Updates, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Third method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Type lusrmgr.msc, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Create new user with administrator privileges. Click File, click Run New Task, type Log Off, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Signed with newly created users. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click Download under Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click Accept, click Next. Check ISO file, click Next. Select Install Windows 11 and select Keep Personal Files and Apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.